All right, what's up guys? David here with Vorsteiner. Today we are going to show you how to replace a factory rear diffuser on the R8 Plus.
Hi everybody, I'm Eric. I'm here to show you the tools what you need to do the install. We need a hex tool, T25, T15, T30, 10mm socket, flat screwdriver, and a tool pick. We don't want to break the factory mounting points, so safety first. These are the factory mounting points. So first step, remove the tire, the liner, and then the bumper.
So this piece here is what's going to replace the factory rear diffuser. So as you see here, has a little more aggressive fins. Right? The 2x2 carbon weave. Okay, polished. All right, and obviously it's super lightweight. So
There's a bolt holding this part inside here. Gotta remove these screws, this one here, this one here, this one, these three, and then remove this one. Remove these three bolts, remove the grill, so then you can remove this holding the entire piece in order to get the bolt inside. Make sure transfer all the factory mounting points. lighten the clips out. Make sure this one right here is going in front of the inside the bumper. This one right here.
Put back all the hardware, the inner lining, wheel lining, and we should be good. Alright, so now that we got the rear diffuser on, we tucked in this lining right here under the rear diffuser, so there's no need to replace the bolts, the OEM bolts that came for this lining. All we have to do is just tuck it in and then put the diffuser over it. So this holds, so the diffuser holds the lining here. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna drill 2 holes into the lining right here to match the OEM hole bolts. After that, we will screw these remaining 2 bolts in, and that's it, we're done. Alright guys, so we completed the install on the R8 with our diffuser. It's a perfect fit. So it fits nicely. Way more aggressive fins in the bottom, in the rear diffuser. And if you can look here, it's a nice airflow exit from here to there. And overall, it looks great. 2x2 weave, gloss. Looks way more aggressive than the factory. So hope you guys enjoyed today's install video, and catch you on the next one.